welcome to my channel, Areayl Journeys. If you're tuning in and stumbled upon my channel, welcome. Stay seated because we're all about positivity and I welcome everyone to here. Just to let you know, my channel is going to be about life, positivity, challenges, family, and self. I want to share my journeys with you, and hopefully you'll share your journeys with me, and we help each other out by giving each other positive feedback, tips, suggestions, whatever. So, just everybody could come together as a community and stuff. Pretty much, I want my channel to be a place of positivity and uplifting. I didn't want to come on here with the typical, this is what I've done, and you could do this too, do this, change your mindset, be more spiritual. But, this, that, and the third. I didn't want to do that. I'm coming from a different angle. I'm a realist. Don't get me wrong. I listen to my motivational tapes in the morning. I listen to my songs in the morning and in the afternoon. Whatever it takes to stay in a positive mood or try to change my mindset. So that way, life can get you down sometimes. And of course you have your good, bad days, but pretty much what do you do to change it? So that's pretty much my channel, what my channel will be about. What do you do? It's not about what all I can do and what I do suggest. What do you do as well? Because what I might suggest might not work for everybody. But you might suggest something in the comments. Oh, well, try this as well. And it might work for somebody else. So I just want us to build a community where we help each other out and motivate each other, no matter what the topic is. So that's pretty much what my channel will be about, because I believe teamwork makes the dream work, because no matter what you're doing in life, you need someone else's help, regardless if you're putting in all the work or not, and if somebody is helping you in some type of way, shape or form, it could be something negative, it could be something positive, but regardless, something or someone pushed you to where you at in your life. Excuse me, like I said, I am new, so sorry for looking around a lot, but I have my little cheat sheet so I don't forget any of my tips that I wanted to go over. And also and I'm learning these camera angles, trying to do my bootleg diva lighting and get the lighting right, make sure my hair is okay. So excuse me for going off, like, I'm rambling now. Anyway, to kickstart my channel, I want to do a countdown into the year 2019. It'll be hashtag all I do is win. I don't know if you all are familiar with the DJ Khaled. If you aren't, Google him. It's Khaled and stuff. And but he made a song a few years ago with T-Pain and some other rappers. He has like 2 or 3 different versions of the song. I can't remember, but every song had various artists on it. But T-Pain was on all of them, and that was my song. It was, I'm gonna butcher it, but it was like, all I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I'll never give up. And every time I step into the building, everybody's hands go up, and they stay there, and they stay there, and they stay there, up, down, up, down, up, down. Cause all I do is win, win, win. Something in the air. Let them stay there. Don't drag me, y'all. I'm sorry, I can't remember all the words, but that was my song. So that's what I'm going into 2019 with. All I do is win. So let's do it together. All I do is win. Say it again. All I do is win. So I want to end 2019 with the countdown series. All I'll do is win, with strong positivity and strong positive mindset, and bring 2019 in victoriously together with you. So watch out for my next video. I will be posting again on Thursday between 5 and 6 p.m. Eastern time. My schedule will be every Tuesday and Thursday. You'll see my post once again between 5 and 6 p.m. Eastern time. So in the meantime, in between time, remember, I'm refutable. BKA, I'm impossible to deny. Peace.